Hello, this is Dhruv, Abhishek and Raj, final year student of computer engineering. We build smart home automation system as our senior project of computer science. We built this project with the help of two most emerging technologies, IoT, Internet of Things and AI, artificial intelligence. The main motto behind this project is to control home appliances with the help of mobile application, website and also through the advanced tools like Google Assistant, Google Home, Amazon Alexa and Telegram. Along with this, we can also track the power usage of the respective appliances. Let's dive deep inside the technology used in this project. For front end, we use Flutter for mobile application. Well, Flutter is open source framework provided by Google. We can develop Android as well as iOS application with the same code. We use HTML, CSS and JavaScript for building our website. Here we have built mobile application and website in such a manner that they both reflect same functionality. For backend, we use Firebase real-time database. It is visible on the screen, the structure of the database. Here, in the database structure, there is one highlighted bucket named LED status, which is used for switching device turn on and off. Now for integrating Google Assistant and Telegram with our project, we use Dialogflow. The structure of Dialogflow is displayed on the screen. We have built agents in both Hindi and English language. Similarly, for integrating Amazon Alexa with our project, we use Amazon Skill. And in that, we have developed skills in both Hindi and English language. Thus, language barrier is not the issue for this project. Now let's talk about the hardware component used in this project. There are four major hardware components used. First, NodeMCU, which is the central component of this project because it directly or indirectly connected to every other component as well as with the database. Second, relay module, which functions as a switch and signaled by NodeMCU. Third, current sensor, which measures the current and send data to the NodeMCU. Fourth, PIR motion sensor, which is used for smart light mode, which senses the living object around it and sends signal to the NodeMCU to control the appliances accordingly. Let's look at the working outlook of this project. Here is our hardware component and here is our software component. They are indirectly connected to each other via Firebase database. In the software part, we have one website and one mobile application. So whenever I want to access this system, I need to provide a secret key. It is set from the admin side. Here I have set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So whenever I click on connect so the same page reflect on both website and mobile application. So here it is visible that one button is there. This button works for turning light on and off. So whenever I click on this button, it turns on the light. For switching the light off, I do from website. So the same thing reflect on both website and mobile application. We want to go inside the smart light mode. We need to click on this icon. It is visible here, small icon. So after clicking on this icon, we enter into the smart light mode. It functions from the PIR motion sensor. It senses the living object around it and automatically turn on and off the light. When there is a living object around it, it automatically turns on the light. And after 10 or 20 minutes, when there is no movement of the living object, it automatically turns off the light. Let's take a demo of this project through Google Assistant. We can access this project through Google Home Speaker as well as through Google Assistant. So first we see the demo through Google Home Speaker and we set this time the language to English. Here is the Google Speaker. Hey Google, talk to my light device.
Getting the test version of my light device.
Welcome to Smart Home Automation. Do you want to turn your light on or off?
Turn on the light.
Okay, as you said, light bulb is turned on successfully.
Turn off the light.
Okay, as you said, light bulb is turned off successfully.
Bye.
Okay, bye-bye, have a nice day.
Let's take a demo of this project in Hindi language through Google Assistant app. लाइट से कनेक्ट करो.
बिल्कुल, चलिए लाइट का टेस्ट वर्जन देखते हैं.
नमस्ते, आपका दिन शुभ हो. आप डिवाइस को चालू करना चाहते हो या बंद?
डिवाइस को चालू करो.
बिल्कुल, जैसा आप कहें. मैंने लाइट बल्ब चालू कर दी है.
डिवाइस को बंद करो.
बिल्कुल. बिल्कुल जैसा आप कहे, मैंने लाइट बल्ब बंद कर दी है।
Let's take a demo of our project through Amazon Alexa. Right now we don't have Amazon Alexa with us, so we are taking demo through the Alexa emulator.
Welcome to Smart Home Automation. What you want to do with your light? As you said, light bulb is turned on successfully. As you said, light bulb is turned off successfully.
Moreover, we have also built a bot in Telegram application, so we can also access our project via Telegram. Let's see the demo of it. Here is the bot of Telegram. After clicking start, I just need to pass this command, turn on the light, and as you said, the light bulb is turned on. For turning off it, so as I pass turn off, it has automatically turned off the light. Let's see the power usage tracking feature of this project. So whenever I want to track the power, I first need to turn on the light. After that, here is the menu bar. Inside that menu bar, there is one option, power usage. Whenever I click on that option, it redirects me to this page, power usage statistic, inside which there is a complete history of the power, like power, how much kilowatt power is consumed, time, how much time it takes, and amount based on the power and time. Here I can also see the date wise, like on 13th of August, how much power consumed, how much time, for how much time. There is no data available because I have not turned on my device on 13th. Similar thing I can also track through website. Here in the power consumption, here the date, power, time, amount, all things are there. For full summary, I can click here. It shows me the record of power usage for all the date, and on that date how much power, time, amount, so everything is provided. For total usage through mobile application, I can click on total usage. It redirects me to this page. Here the beautiful pictorial representation of pie chart. It shows me the month on which how much power, the 33% on in July, 10% on particular month. Likewise, total days, total power, total time, total amount, everything is there. And based on that, I can also estimate by bill. So by clicking on bill estimation, I can redirect to this page. Here the 1 month bill is this based on the previous data. Likewise, I can track my 2 month bill also, likewise 3 month bills also. So this is the best feature of this project. So now let's talk about the benefits of this project. First and foremost benefit of this project is its flexibility. Here we have Android application, iOS application, website, Google Home, Google Assistant, Amazon Alexa and Telegram, through which we can access the device. So it provides vast flexibility to the user. Along with that, all of these are integrated with Firebase, so distance hinder is not the problem. We can access device from any corner of the world. Second benefit of this project is it is very much handy for physically disabled person. Like they can access device through firing voice command, and it is very much helpful for such kind of people. Last in the list, though it is not a benefit, but it is very much helpful for attracting consumer. In our project, we have integration of Google Home, Google Assistant, Amazon Alexa, PIR motion sensor. So it is very much luxurious in this techno-savvy world, and people are more drawn towards this technology. So it is very much helpful for our project success. Thank you. Hope you like our small step in this technological revolution. If you have any query regarding this project, please ping us on given email ID or comment below.